So here we are at the port. I never knew that the Fort Lauderdale cruise port area is actually so big. We are at port 19 out of like 30 something. There are 8 ships here in Fort Lauderdale today. It is very packed, very busy here. Behind me is our ship, so we're gonna go check in and see how long it takes us to get through. Welcome aboard! After security, it was pretty easy to get through, so now we are just walking on the gangway to get onto the ship. Yay! Let the vacation begin! 1 o'clock on the button, our rooms are ready, so we're gonna go drop off some stuff and then we can enjoy some of the ship. Okay, here we are at our room. Let's take a first look at our Oceanview Stateroom. So upon entering right in, here we are. Ooh, look at our window. Awesome. So we have a desk area here immediately walking in, and the bed. We have a small little couch area, sitting area. What is our current view here in port? Oh, look at that. Wow, that's a nice view. We can see the other ships right now here. So let's see, we have our little nightstand here in the corner. I don't see any cords, or outlets rather, on that side. Let's see if I see any on this side. No outlets. That's a bummer, but let's take a look over here. So we have some cabinets underneath the TV. We have a desk area. Let's take a look inside here. Oh, we have a mini fridge. Let's see. Okay, we can put our water in there, keep our water nice and cold. That's convenient. Inside here, oh, that's some nice little shelving to keep organized inside the stateroom. And another one on this side. And then back towards the exit here, the door, we have the bathroom. Okay, not too cramped. It's all right. So inside, stepping up into it, we have the shower. This is actually a little bit bigger than I expected. So not too bad. The toilet. Oh, they're making an announcement.
Your staterooms are now ready and available for you to make yourself cozy and comfortable into your new home for the next few days.
Take a look behind us here. We have a closet. This is like an accordion style door here to close the closet, and we have a full-length mirror, which is really nice because I feel like full-length mirrors in cruise ships are hard to find. So I appreciate that. And we have our safe and our life jackets. So that is our room for an ocean view on Royal Caribbean's Majesty of the Seas. First things first when you get on the ship is getting a lay of the layout, understanding where everything is, and then heading to the Windjammer for some lunch.
Do not shout them out. Here it goes. Nice and simple. Question number 1 here. How many bones are there in the adult human body?
Like, kind of know this.
How many bones are there in the adult human body?
Trying to go with 140 something.
See what you guys get to the end to see how many of these we have. How many bones are there in the adult human
That's not
body?
exactly 140. It's gotta be like
Okay, your 5th question now. Your 5th question of 15. What are the 2 main countries in which the Amazon River flows through?
Don't scream.
We're looking for 2, not 1 but 2. What are the 2 main? So after whose shape did Disney animators model Tinkerbell? After whose figure, after whose shape did Disney animators model the Disney character Tinkerbell, the green fairy from Peter Pan? Yeah, that's not what happened.
So we are back in the room getting ready for dinner. We have an 8 o'clock seating, which is the second seating. I prefer the 8 o'clock seating a little bit better, so I'm glad that we are able to have that. And we just kind of spent the afternoon relaxing after the sail away party. It wasn't as much of an elaborate sail away party as I was expecting, which was fine. So we danced around a little bit, hung out, had a drink, and just enjoyed the ship a little bit. And so now we are getting ready for dinner and going to see what's on the menu for the first night. Okay, so we are now in the Chorus Line Theater. We are about to see a comedy show. Oh, there's a man attacking you in the corner. Anyway, we're in the Chorus Line Theater, and the comedy should be really good. I love a good comedy show. Dinner was a little bit hectic. They didn't know what to do with our table, right?
Yeah, they lost our spot.
Yeah, we originally had a early first seating, and we got moved to a second seating, and it caused some confusion. They weren't sure where they put us, not sure what exactly happened, if they originally gave our table away, or if they forgot to actually move the reservation. What do you think happened? I don't know.
I'm not sure.
Yeah.
I think they moved the reservations, but maybe they did it in the wrong way.
Yeah.
They didn't let the relevant people know.
Yeah. Whatever. So we got to sit with ourselves, which was fine. We enjoyed it. It was a good dinner. Dinner was good. They had the soup they got was fabulous. It was so good. Okay, I'm talking too much because I'm getting this. So let's go enjoy the comedy show. All right, we'll see if this guy's funny or not. Well, that does it for day number 1. We just got out of the hot tub and enjoyed the rest of our evening. The comedy show was pretty funny, and we had a relaxing evening, wrapping up the first day on the Majesty of the Seas. Thank you so much for watching. Tomorrow is day 2, and we are at sea tomorrow, so we plan a lot of activities and staying busy, enjoying the ship. So stay tuned for that, and if you haven't already, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. All right, see you tomorrow.